Have you ever heard about blue-bone fish? Well, if not, you're on the right track. Just continue watching the video. Blue-bone is one of the most attractive fish in Australia. They are sensational to eat with its recipes, grilled and baked. But Filipinos have their own version of cooking: the kinilaw, soup, and paksiw.
Okay.
Somebody is telling me that there is a blue-bone hunter who lives in the city. Come and join me. Let's find him. I admit, I really had a hard time in looking for this guy. I've been searching for him from street to street and another street until I finally found him here at Melna Street, living in this beautiful and amazing lodge. Hi, welcome Nas Delhi to Broome. I am Sanu Republic and I am a blue-bone hunter. This is exactly the place where the hunters hunt blue-bone. The following videos are some actions of the hunters in catching those blue-bone. You can see in the video the hunter really struggling in catching that fish. See, he needs to bend his body because the fish gives him a good fight. But when the fish comes out from the water, you can see the joy in his face. Everything's paid off. Look what he got. Not just one or two, but 4 blue-bone. Unbelievable. Thanks for watching. What a beautiful day. I just want you to know what I've learned when I'm spending my time with these guys. And that is, patience is a virtue. YouTube. If you like this video, then I think you're gonna love Nas Academy. It's a new online school. We just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. We can react millions of people in the internet, tell them stories, and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos has changed my life, and I think it can change yours. Ug diha na usab natapos ang ato ang video mga kasans. Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong pagbisita sa ato ang channel Sanu Republic. Ang channel nga dili na maghatag og kalingawan o pagtulunan, kundi pwede sa motubag sa inyong panginahanglan ngadto sa kalambuan. Kung bag-o lang ka nagbisita ning ato ang panimalay nining Sanu Republic, palihog ayaw kalimot sa pag-pislit sa subscribe button ug notification bell aron permanente ang updated sa ato ang mga coming videos. Sa dili pa ta nagbulag-bulag mga kasans, tuguti ako mga kasans nga i-shout out ang mga tao nga nagtabang sa tua. Shout out kay Ismael Torion, shout out usab kay Roy Anglers, shout out kay Wawi Taylor, shout out usab kay Kabuka, shout out usab kay John Chris Robles, shout out usab kay Kindle Rios Bonita, shout out usab kay Christy Patinio. Sa dili pa ta nagbulag-bulag mga kasans, tuguti ako na mobilin sa inyo og istorya nga ngadlaw nga walay katawa usa ka adlaw nga way pulos.